So hi guys, I'm Kanish Kathre, and today's article topic: experiences of student during lockdown, or second name for it, journey from drawing room to kitchen. So as they have my personal experiences also I will share. Lockdown is a wrong word for some student. Basically, it's a futuristic, opportunistic, golden period, but sometimes it has been mismatched with the holidays. It's a preparatory days for some and relaxation for some. Experience I'm saying, na? Also, they can spend a lot of time. Some have a good experience. They are sharing a lot of time with their family members. Others are getting complaint that my son and my daughter doesn't have a time for me. After getting the review from the student across 75% of students disagree with the online education. They're not getting the content what their teacher want to do. Either they are giving the PDF form or the buffer in this. They are not understandable. I will tell why, because of the internet connectivity also. India is at the 74th number with a speed of 6.8 Mbps as compared to the South Korea, which topped the rank with the 54 Mbps average. I'm saying, if I will go for the location wise, some places are very poor for this. They have a very bad, I will say, adverse situation. They are not giving even the signal to call. So how can they use the WebEx and the Zoom app? So low internet connectivity, poor signal, buffering. This is normal for us. We know that we will watch at the 144p. So we have a very good experience. Also, we watched the Ramayana and Mahabharata the earlier period, Mahasangram. Yeah, that. And but later this month only we have been connected with the YouTube, seeing for the history and all that. According to the data, Indian consumption of internet has been rise by 13% since the nationwide lockdown was put in place to check the spread of COVID-19. According to the Telecom Ministry, data that showed that Indians consume 300 petabytes or 308,000 terabytes in a week, and educational platforms are on a rise. Means I will compare if the educational industry with the other industry, for example, like makeup and all that, they are on a decline period. For example, shopping, it's a lull period for other industry as compared to the above. The time on form have a slight rise. This is a disadvantage that's causing the eye strain, headache, and also in the the wax bean have a replicate. Some have very good and very bad experiences. Some are learning cooking skills by the YouTube. Some are helping their parents, celebrating special occasions, recording songs, pursuing their further career with the help of YouTube. Basically, Indian students have a specialty that they can do anything. So have a belief in it. Either become mentally strong or strongly mental. Either become mentally strong or strongly mental. We have to work by taking the disadvantage and convert into the advantages. Like our honorable PM Modi has said, that we have to grab the opportunity. And what India do, I will tell you the example. In this month only, what China do, it rise the PPA kit price. So what India do? India grab this opportunity. It was disadvantage for us, so we convert into advantage. What we do? India became the second most producer of PPA kit. In a one day, it produced approximately 380,000 PPA kits. So I will end this whole topic by one quote: "Life spent making a mistake is not only more honorable. Life spent making a mistake is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing." So thank you. Have a nice day.